Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your residential address in your Exness account. This is useful if you've moved to a new place, updated your documents, or need to correct your profile details. So let's jump right in. First, head over to the Exness website and log in to your personal area using the email and password you registered with. If you don't have an account yet, you can always sign up. It only takes a minute. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for your profile or personal information section. This is where all your verified details are stored, like your name, your country, and your residential address. Now, scroll until you find the residential address section. This is where your current address is displayed, the one you originally used for your identity verification. Here's something important. If your account is already fully verified, sometimes the edit option will not appear. This is because Exness locks verified identity details for security. If that's the case, don't worry. You can still change your address, but you'll need to contact Exness support for help. I'll explain that in a second, but if the edit option is available, just click Edit next to your address. Now simply enter your new address details, your street, city, region, postal code, and make sure everything is typed correctly. The country usually cannot be changed unless you create a new account registered in that country. So keep that in mind. After updating your address, click Save Changes, and you're done. Now, if the edit button wasn't available because your account is fully verified, here's what to do. Just scroll down in your account dashboard and click Support, or use the live chat feature. Tell them you need to update your residential address, and they will ask you to upload a new proof of address, like a bank statement, a utility bill rental agreement, or any official document showing your new address. Make sure the document is clear, shows your full name, your address, and is dated within the last 3 months. Once you submit it, support will verify it and update your profile. And that's it! You've successfully changed your residential address in Exness, either directly through the profile settings, or with the help of support if your account was already verified. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a tutorial on how to change your phone number or trading password next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.